Want to know how I make my rant layouts? I will be showing you. Yay! This is actually my friend's rant layout. But I'll be showing you. Yeah. So like, for the apps, I recommend using Pinterest and Adobe Paint. You can also choose other apps than Pinterest. You could use Google or Tumblr instead of Pinterest. But I recommend Pinterest more. Don't know why I have Yuri here, but you're gonna need to go on like Pinterest or Google or Tumblr, I don't know. And then you're gonna like click the search bar. So I recommend like your character first. I'm gonna do Nazuki. You can make her chibi or like just full body, whatever. You could choose, and then it's your choice. You're gonna download the image. Now after you have your character, you're going to search a branch divider. And this is optional, but you can like make it any color at the end. Guys, I fear something. But yeah. So you're gonna pick the ones that you prefer. You could choose what I prefer too. I'm gonna pick this. My God. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh my God. Just get me out. Should I use that one? Yeah, let's use that. Download. And keep looking. You know what? Actually, I might choose this one. For like the bottom and top. Okay. Like that. Do I want to risk it? Nah, I don't think so. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna risk it. It's too beautiful. I love the Sakura layout. I love that. Yeah, I'm gonna use you. Yeah, and this too. No, everything is beautiful. Dude, actually, never mind. Forget. Fuck those two. I'm using this. Do I want to use that instead? Why? I'm gonna use this one instead, bro. And then turn it. Actually, no, I can't. It's difficult, bro. I'm gonna use you instead. Sorry about that one. But it's gonna be upside down. That's why I'm like. That's why. Keep looking. Let's keep looking. Bro, there's nothing. What the? Bro. I'm gonna go back up. Bro. This is the only ones I could choose. You know my prince in this. I'm not a dairy to dairy. I have a jello heart. I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing. I was just rushing and forgot the sunscreen. Damn, I might actually use this. I can't. This is like a tutorial. I can't be losing that. I'll always need a lace. I don't even know what to do now. I'm not a dairy tune soon dairy. I have a jello heart. I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing. I was just rushing and forgot the sunscreen. I'm gonna use you. Now I'm gonna look for like random items. Okay, because why not? Is this close enough to pink? I think so. I'm gonna change it to pink soon. I'm not a dairy too soon dairy. I have a jello heart. I'm not that mean. I'm gonna type in tunes and dairy. If there is one. to tsundere. I have a jello heart, I'm not that mean. Heart. I'm not me mocking how I say heart. I'm not a dere to tsundere. I have a jello heart, I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing, I was just rushing and forgot the sunscreen. Bro, where's the big lace? I might just actually just remove Frenchie divider and just like look for a pink lace. And it's no bro. I look if you think this is enough, but I'm gonna get you. Nah, too big. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you as well, for the watermark. I finally found the lace. Let's go. Oh wait, this will be better. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I'm still gonna use you instead now. Because I'm like, I don't know what to do now. Okay, I think this is enough. Now let's go back to intro. I'm gonna use this because I seen tutorials like say to use that. You guys can like look at my photos because like it doesn't really matter now. You know? I'm gonna use like this. Clear that. Uh-oh. I think that's okay. I'm gonna replace you. Replacing. Just like what Bassy. Just like Bassy. Replacing like Bassy. Yay. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. No, what the hell? Okay, this is actually not going well. Thank you. What the hell? What the heck? This can't be happening. Not in my sight. Not on my watch. One Mexican down. I'm gonna now use this. Do I need to play that song? I just like don't want to get copyrighted though, so I'm gonna play it softly. No, but I'm gonna get copyrighted even still. I'm still gonna get copyrighted. You guys know the what's it called? Yuri versus I forgot. What should like at least for fandom? Mine has to be like the invincible. Sometimes like I don't know, like I really don't know invincible that much. I don't know. What fandom do I not like, but I still like the game as well? What fandom do I like, but I like the game? I like the fandom, but I don't like the game. I mean, I don't like the fandom, but I like the game. Which fandom is that? Remove you. I like that. We add Nazuki now. Would we add her later? Was add her later? Save me the tears. All you do is I don't know, like the rest. Waste of my time. Yes. I'm sorry, but this might look bad. Should I do a new character? If I don't like it, I might just do a new character. But tell me if I like do good. Like tell me if I eat. I wanna play it! Nazuki. She just typed in Vanny. No. Nazuki versus no. Who is Raven? Oh, this is rap battle. I don't know what I'm doing today. You're gonna be soft, okay? Shut the fuck up. I'm not like on my iPhone today. Who's Nico?
Why did Monica invite a goth to our club meeting? I heard from the Justice League that you were just leaving. How can you be so dense? I got a gut feeling you should probably start with the room if you love reading. I like mother, but your comics are a gobble mess. Both you and your plot need to stop playing hard to get. Don't put on airs, you're not great just because you're half a goat. With your crappy show, we've seen how badly doing that can go. In every episode, you leave the hearts of people toyed with. That's why it took you 30 years to get a decent boyfriend. Looking up your dumbass so you don't start a bloodbath. Instead of flirting, maybe you should touch grass. I should have really assumed that you would be leaving your room. Honestly, even Amy wouldn't like this creepy recruit. We know that eagles can fly off like your horrified moment. Raven can try, but her social life's gone. On that page, it's like buying your game because you guys are just wasting your paper. Such a kid can't decide if you
Girl, what is this?
you or need me to sign you away.
We want to know what this is. What are you doing? Raven, don't lie. Don't lie. Just lie. Oh, dang. Okay, never mind.
Tedious pleb with a need for attention's receiving a lesson in tolerance. I'm an empath and I sense that you just feed off affection. Wonder you're malnourished. Talking goats heat bait because your heart isn't too strong. No protein, but let me drop some bars you can chew on.
Okay, this might look actually bad. I'm not just cooking. I'm just cooking. I'm not cooking.
In the booth, here's a riddle for you. Why is a raven like a writing desk? Because everything that presses me gets folded and you might be next. Listen, Cupcake, I don't mean to sugarcoat this. You bailed the demon and as a human you seem to be ghosted. Is that your girl reading people?
Nazuki!
Still don't see they're only nice who let you keep from exploding. Rachel Ross, she's dazed and lost inside her vacant thoughts. On every birthday she crumbles until the cake is gone. Wait, I'll be safe for Rob. And just freaky little bitch was off. I don't need to see your future based on what I seen before I touch it to your mama's face, but I would need a Ouija board. Your date of things so tragic.
Well, first she's gonna say, oh yeah, I forgot you don't have a mom.
As a rap, I stood up to daddy's wrath. Met the path through tragedy, got sharper than a battle axe. I protect the planet that you turned into a habitat for trauma dumping onto any bachelor. It happens fast, that's why I can't relax. So forgive me if I'm not too thrilled to battle rap your kindergarten grammar ass. You wanna go past your sentence like a Judge Judy. At least I don't lose my head when I become moody. But you ain't
Damn!
you ain't Suki. You couldn't spit unless you'd emptied out your guts puking. It's not the romance you've been begging for, and I won't talk in metaphor.
I'm listening to a song. You take a banger.
Let the raven tell you where your love was headed for. Your relationship was just a game to him, never more.
Anyone else like House of Kuso? No! I'm actually selling. Guys, I'm selling. Stop it. Don't look at me. Now, who is Nico? Ah! Poor Coco. The Nico. Oh, this is Nico. Is that a child? Is that's a child! And I'm gonna be called an ugly, pimply bitch. Just watch. Yeah. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook for you guys. I wanna feed you. I don't even know where Nico is. Damn, good job, don't go brutal. Don't be brutal. My God, I don't want this.
Now that pun doesn't even make sense. It's a stretch. Looking under the vending machines for more sense. Now to beat this little crap, nothing to dealing with Yuri's crap. Don't forget what's in my file. I'll like this monkey.
Do I ship them? No, I don't. It's like, do I want to ship them? Nah, I don't wanna. They're fucking ugly.
I'm fine. Nico can try me, but that's all she can manage. Cause hoping your dreams came true is nothing but a lollygagging. Your beaks arise in a week, also with cold weeks. No honey, I'm attaining the size of your chest as a
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
just go run back to your papa if you think you're beating me. I'll have one of these hearts when I go Nico Nico Nico. That's the post.
Well, you do the Nika Nika Nee?
And what's the buzz?
Nika Nika Nee.
Let's take your overdone trope and show how shallow we've become. I've beaten the shit out of you and I'm going to tell everyone.
Oh, let's do Bakugo. 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 Do I ship Bakugo? Nah, I don't. Do I? Do I? Katsuki. You need to give Nazuki a name. I'm into Deku, you're sweat. Girl, boy. But what if she is? Because they're in high school. They're in school.
Oh no, I'm so scared. You really got me in a
Whatever.
whirl. You say that you're a good guy, but you're picking on a girl. Are you a hero or an asshole? Dude, I can't really tell.
Damn.
Instead of being both and failing, just pick one and do it well. Oh, like King Explosion Murder? Man, that's really freaking lame. Picking a decent hero?
Dang, you're getting mad. I can hear that.
Why you wanna act real tough? Well, you can't do that.
I'm listening to like Nazuki songs, like rap battles. The first one was Nazuki versus Raven. Now the other one was Nico versus Nazuki, and this one is Katsuki Bakugo versus Nazuki. What?
Okay, Yuri, look at yourself. It's clear that half of your vocabulary is damn and nothing else. You're an asshole to your boyfriend and your fangirls say this.
Whoa, boyfriend.
Tantrums can't blow up the freaking.
Oh, boyfriend.
Let's talk about my dad.
Deku?
Let's talk about your mom.
Bakudeku?
How many times I found her on Pornhub.
Why is he growling?
The worst person in the cast. So wrap this up now. You know what? I had a blast.
Yeah, I'll agree, Bakugo. This is. Don't come with me. Don't come at me. Chats. Jaisutsu as Nizu. What? What else is there? Here you go. Oh, I know this one because they were like rap battling in the Yuri one where the other one, what's it called? I don't know. And you listen to some Yuri songs. I wanted to do Yuri, like yeah, let's do Yuri. Then I was like, oh, I need to do but Nazuki. She's cute and adorable. Not knowing that this will be like my worst choice ever. I might just go do Yuri soon. Way bad.
Natsuki versus Hiyoko Sayanji. There, begin. Wait, what? I'm somehow back. I still have to wrap it in Nikon kill you. A trial needs to take place. What's with that look on your face? Characters the biggest creep in your group, please. You're the one behind the weird ass soup scene. You don't have to be a jerk just because you're lonely. No wonder you had no friends before Hope's peak. And insufferable and mean senses for even your writers didn't care about finishing your art. So they switch around some decks and silenced you. It turns out you're a rose with a mahiro. You call that poetry? Such a graphic like the toe break. Finding yours drop on the floor. I'm skipping over you. Free time of then. Is there something at the back?
What the fuck? Where did you come from, Cupcake? Something from the fence? Did you? Oh no.
What the fuck continue. Much like the fans, I'm going, who's he? Never left much of an
I agree.
Even in that weirdo band, you stand out as a freak. They should keep
Oh,
it
yeah.
hidden, unlike your two front teeth.
I don't want this stupid loading thing though. It's like annoying.
This is what I made, and no boys will want to escape this all. When I get to school, you didn't mean that. You don't understand me, and you wouldn't like me when I'm in my cookies here. Keep stirring butter cake. You and those animatronics.
Damn. Bozuki?
I need to teach you. Like out here being carried by Chica. Gotta make more, but with you, she was stopping. Your bonus on top, kind of like frosting. Double money cut, now I stomp on the beat. You like Freddy with the kids, friend. I'm gonna hit you. Who won? Who's next?
I'm gonna eat you! Ah! Who asked? Me.
Answer the question.
Oh, it was like in the it was from the Yuri versus Mikan Sumiski. I don't know. Is this like a good layout? Trust it is.
Bad idea.
Whoop.
Yuri
Versus
Mika
Gay.
Sumiki.
Miko
We
Sumiki.
built sandcastles, though it always ends the same, so each setting won't change the ending to
Girl,
it.
why are you
Take
talking
it
about
off with
sandcastles?
these. Mikan's just another who is caught inside a thoughtless string.
You're not my prince in this.
But if you
I'm not ignorant, so endearing. I have a jello heart, I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing, I was just rushing. And forgot the sunscreen.
I want us to bandage you up, cause your arms are more wide when it comes to damaging cuts, but we'll help those who is patch, and I guess it makes sense that you couldn't carry a verse with such a broken back. I'm so sorry. We'll make sure that this checkup's quick. Seems you're getting so heated near MC, it could get you sick. Get a nice pack and some rest, and please don't be upset now, but I think it'd be best if you could get that pen out. When the player by acting as soft as how your art's drawn, but then later Monica came and brought it to a hard stop. Any chance of your story coming back? It's far gone. A picture's worth 1,000 words. You'll leave her not the portrait of Marco.
It's amazing how a story can do so much with its concept. So forgive me for disliking how the sequel had little content. Its theme and story bored me. The dialogue was corny. All of it added to an experience more lifeless than savory.
Yuri, that's not a real person. Guess I gotta help, cause on your own you're worthless. And I thought the K3 lady would be crazy, but I got this. Cause it's my good bookie, the way I'm about to drop it. Traditional dancer, he yoko sayan. He's thinking of little Miss Tucker that got his candies and peas. It seems when I dropped it, I'll be with these.
I like to like see ranters have like a little text bar, like, you know, where they like talk and stuff. It's like so cool. I love it. Like, it's like I see like people have like a text box with their ranting. I'm not lying. Okay, you don't need to merge a layer, by the way. It's like optional.
It's not fair how you get to belittle me, even with that glass for you, the shortest temper I've ever seen.
Forget who's your opponent. Too dizzy to diss me. If only Pissy Missy could go missing just as quickly.
Yuri, jeez, maybe let out the tea a bit.
Don't you have a closet to hide, little piece of shit?
Oh, please, none of you losers could outrap me. So much anger here that thought Natsuki's neck was snappy. Tons of nutrition, you and that branch and both need your word. Hey, I thought I was...
Natsuki, maybe wait your fucking turn.
Sumiki, you're a nurse. Those got Doki Doki's flatlines. Picked up for banana hair.
Natsuki, for the last time, no matter what I do, you always get in between it. With MC and my love, and now my fight with this bitch.
I was just joking. Damn, Natsuki, when will you learn? I'll stop and crush a stupid worm. Did she just... Why is everyone against me? I have patience, please, patience. I hate patience, I hate patience.
It'll make it to the point.
Why don't I get a fucking Google notification from my other phone?
You don't shut the fuck up! Yuri, stop, listen to yourself, please. Look at
you and me. I gave you your warnings, told you to step aside. It's the end of your life as my knife sends a slice. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, I need to get out of here. I'm gonna throw up. Mikan? What the hell
Mikan?
did you?
Oh, her name is Mikan! Have I been saying her name wrong?
She can't hurt anyone now.
I can't spell their names.
Can she?
I'm sorry. Nina. Oh, I feel bad.
Shine. Shopping online.
This is so light.
Get it today.
I'm gonna have a long tutorial. Oh my god, how long is this?
Download Character AI today and see where
Can you get the fuck out? Your fucking bar is gonna ruin everything. Just wait until you see Bob Suzuki. Bob Nuzuki. Damn, I need to see this one. What up?
Can't wait! It's our first sleepover together! You better be prepared for the best bacon ever! I sure am!
Hey, Natsu. Should I bring an extra kitchen knife?
What? Why?
I'll take that as a yes.
Guys, what are you?
My. Sure has been a while since I was here last.
Sayori, what are you doing? Ready or not, here I come!
I always forget I'm on this type of brush, bro.
Good. Yours?
Good. Excited to see what we'll be doing, huh? Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, nah.
Wait, Monica, do you have anything planned for dinner?
What?
What? I thought you were going to bring food. I said I'd bake, true, but not cook, SMH. Wait, so there's no food?
Okay, now time to use the character.
Hello. I'd like 3 pizzas, please.
Pizza?
Yeah!
Actually, make that 6. Alright, food secured. The only downside is
Okay, guys, let's do this.
I'll go get them then.
I love Nuzuki, bro. What's your guys' I need clear the lines though, so it doesn't, do its thing. Oh my god.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run away. What are you doing? Let me go!
she's not picking up.
It's already been 30 minutes.
Maybe it's a busy night?
Wait a second. Natsuki has her location sharing enabled.
Really?
Huh? She must be in a vehicle of some sort. She's moving really quickly.
Has Natsuki been
Kidnapped?
Oh no! How terrible! If only she had protected her location with Atlas VPN.
No!
Atlas VPN encrypts your data on unlimited devices so hackers, advertisers, and internet service providers can't track you. But you already knew that, didn't you? So I'm gonna tell you something you didn't know. You can get Atlas VPN for $1.83 a month by clicking the link in the description, plus an additional 3 months completely.
You can make it what? You can make the thing. Why,
Possible. Well, think again, because on top of a VPN,
I call him in a fucking crash out. Get out the way. I'm trying to make this layout. This can be a free layout for you guys.
Don't tell them I told you this, but you can use Atlas VPN to get better deals on Netflix, Spotify, airlines, hotels, and more, and save trade offer on the market. Protecting your privacy has never been more.
New poses, animations, and character
Leave me alone.
tools for gotcha. Download
Wait. Oh, why do I always forget this type of hard, bro? Fuck the overlay. Hope this could like work. This Sakura thing better work.
Oh, right. You were all supposed to go save Natsuki, weren't you?
To the rescue. What do you want from me? Please, I'll give you money. You want money, right? I have like maybe $30. Dang it.
Oh my, oh my. Seems like you're not as tough as you pretend to be online. Are you, cutie?
I'm not cute. Wait, what do you mean in person? Do I know you?
You're overshadowing my queen's streaming career. She simply cannot grow while you're around. We have to get rid of you.
Oh my god. I'm not! Who wants this layout?
Hey, you
Guys.
look here.
Huh?
What the fuck?
If you want my layout, you need my Discord. I'm gonna give you guys my Discord. I'll give you guys my Discord so you guys can have the layout. Whoever finds me first gets the layout.
No, you don't. Get up!
Come on.
Well, it's not like I needed him or
Oh wait,
anything.
wrong person. By the way, this is my friend. That is like, this is my friend. That is like magical. That is like that. This is my friend. That is like on the other account with me. She's Cordy on the other on this account. Yeah, sorry. Anyways, here's work that though. Here's my user. Yumi Scribble. You yeah.